Hi guys, welcome to Social Squad Podcast.
And now I'm gonna ask them some questions, and they are gonna ask me some questions regarding to our grade 10 experiences and our English 10 class. So the first question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your overall grade 10 experiences? So you get
I'm rate it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Why?
Since it's very challenging from the first year to up to now. And we have some arguments, misunderstandings around our section. Like you know what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's why 8 out of 10. Okay.
But the French fries is so good. Alright.
Oh yeah.
For you, sir.
For my experience, I will rate it 5 over 10.
5 over 10. Why? Hold the mic.
Pwedeng tagal. Dahil parang sakto lang din yung mga nangyayaring maganda, sakto lang din nangyayaring good things, mga ganun. Yun lang.
For me, 9 of 10 kasi for me is the best part when I win in third place.
In ICT.
Yes.
I had a picture of you. So,
And have friends like Sirgan. This year, yes. This year and have bad things like
so that's it.
So what about
So I'm sorry guys, we have a dancer friends right here. They're Beanie fans,
Yes.
Beanie Stan Beanie. Okay.
Stan Beanie.
So now Maniego is gonna answer the question.
Maya?
For me, I'll rate it 10 because I met a lot of friends and jamming with them and having fun with them. Also, yeah, I know French fries is good. Yeah. Yeah. And tsaka for me, I met a lot of friends, which is Carl, you, and you. Kung sino ka man. Yes. And I'm happy because back then, when nung pandemic pa, wala akong masyadong friends. So yeah, I'm happy to meet you guys. Yeah, and also the others.
And you, man.
Wait, I'm not on. Go.
So out of 10,
Huh?
how would you rate your grade 10 experience?
Give me the mic. So, how would I rate my grade 10 experiences? So, I would rate it as a 8.5 out of 10.
Why?
Because there's some good experiences and bad. And there's bad. Sorry. First good experience is I met my friends, my circle of friends, like Jared, like Carl, and shout out to Kashel.
I hope you're watching.
No. Sir Dadoy is gonna watch this. So, yes. And my second good experience is when do you remember that we took a picture. Woo! I'm sorry guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, do you remember our picture in the
Class picture.
No, the what do you call this? Our picture in the science building, I guess.
Yeah.
In the conference.
Conference.
Yes. there's Jared, there's you, there's me, there's Cashel, and do you remember our picture in the stairs?
Yeah. That
That was so cool, bro. Like,
yeah, I remember that.
that was so cool, bro. Like, it's like 18th birthday of Cashel.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna flash the picture right there, guys, so you can see what we're talking about. So, oh yeah, my bad experience is when that one friend, I will not drop a name. So, when that one friend of ours, tatagalog na ako. So that one friend of ours, kumalas siya sa circle namin. So, yun lang yung bad experiences namin or bad experiences ko. So, and another bad experiences, this asynchronous month came.
Yeah, due to
So,
the high temperature.
high index, yes.
Yeah.
High heat index. So, I said to myself that I will do better this fourth quarter. Sabi ko yun, par. Kaso nga lang, dumating tong asynchronous. So,
Babawi sana, kaso nga lang.
dumating yung asynchronous. Yes.
Mas mahirap.
Oo. So, dumating yung asynchronous. Medyo na... Nahirapan ako.
But did you imagine that we can go from some problems up to this one, that we're graduating only weeks na lang. We're graduating na lang. We're going through a new chapter, and pretty sure magiging madalang na yung pagkikita-nakita natin, di ba? That's why,
There are a lot of times we're busy.
yeah.
Because we're going to senior high.
Yeah. Yes.
Mga sarili-sariling priority.
Yeah. And if ever, sana naman, di ba? We can have a reunion in the near future. Let's say 10 years or 15 years from now. Yeah. All of us are pretty sure successful persons. Yes. Yeah.
Successful man li.
Oh yeah.
So here's the second question.
No.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your English 10 class? Marian?
Ako talaga.
She's eating the good French fries.
Yeah.
Basta.
For me,
Thank you so much for
I'll rate it 9 because well, I'll rate the English class, but it's also my weakness. Pero inaaral ko siya ng mabuti, which is kailangan pang mag-improve yung pag-English ko. Yes. Also, kahit na mahirap yung English class, marami pa rin matututunan doon. Yan. The vocabularies and how you pronounce those words and the spelling, yeah, like that. Thank you.
So who's next?
For me, it's 5 because hard to talk about English and
I can say that it's hard to talk in English.
yes,
But
I can talk English but not straight. Like I'm
Speaking Tagalog, go.
pero nahihirapan talaga ako ng English. Ayoko na.
I will rate it 10 because first of course, Sir Daduya is a good teacher and a very good teaching for us. Yeah.
Very good, very good. But it's a very good French fries.
May abol ako. Iniisip ko nga yung pagka yung naano kami na section namin. natanggal, tapos parang nilipat kami. Iniisip ko sana, sabi ko, sana teacher ko pa rin si Sir Daduya kasi alam kong, kasi nakakasabay ako dun kahit pa paano eh. And yun. Thank you po.
So my turn now. Alright. I have the microphone, guys. So for me, I would rate our English 10 class 10 out of 10.
Wow, why?
Although my grades are not that high, but for me, there's some time that I didn't pick up a lot of lessons. But Sir Daduya is great at teaching, as he said. Because there are some words that are difficult to understand. And Sir Daduya is making it easy for us. Like, and there are some words that we didn't encounter yet. But he's giving the word that we don't know. And one thing, because Sir Daduya is giving giving words that we not encounter yet, and he's explaining what it means. So that's a 10 out of 10 for me, Sir Daduya. Sana nagustuhan mo yung piyaya. Alright. So the next question. Not a question, actually. Hey, gisali ka pala? I'll go for you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for getting me, ha?
Go.
I'm so privileged for that. yeah, kidding aside. I would rate it 10 out of 10 too. Firstly, in the first single quarter, we would like to thank Miss Rilyn Ambion for teaching us, and Mr. Darwin J. Daduya. Hi, sir. Because some deep English, they taught us what's the meaning of it and some basic English. And some of us actually, and some of us are being comfortable, like speaking in English. So that's why it's a 10 out of 10. So yeah, this is a bonus question for Harold. What is your first impression when you go nung napunta ka sa section namin? Yeah, forgive it. Like ano bang feeling mo nung pagpasok mo sa section namin?
Ang una ko naramdaman nun, sa akin, yung basta Tagalog ako. So, yung naramdaman ko nun, parang wala akong magiging kasundo, magiging kaibigan. Parang wala nga rin akong kilala dun eh. Tapos, yun, sabi, sinakyan ko lang yung pasok lang ako hanggang math time. Pagkapasok ko nun, ang naisip ko, ang naramdaman ko, parang wala akong magiging kaibigan, gano'n. Tapos, parang wala akong makakasundo. Parang ma-OP lang din ako dun. And yung ESP time na nun, nagulat ako bigla kayong lumapit sa akin. Kasi yun, sabi ko okay itong dalawa na to, nag-enjoy ako sa inyo. Tapos tinatanong, Carlen Luis. Carlen Luis. Tapos tinanong ko sa 10-7 na, sabi ko, sino yung dalawang lalaki na yun? Sabi niya, baka si Carlen, si Luis, si JL. Sabi ko, ang bait nun nag-drum daw yun, di ba? Sabi ko, green flag.
Yeah, so that's it. So, are we good, guys? There. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Not guys. Thank you, sir, for watching.
Thank you, sir.
So, sir, sana hindi mo ilabas to sa TV.
Sana huwag mo pakita, sir.
So, Carl is gonna close this video for you, sir, or guys. Yeah, no.
Before we close it out, what's your message before the school year ends? Like for your teacher, classmates, friends, closest friends.
I will go first.
Yeah, go ahead.
For my message for my classmates, thank you for the good memories. Thank you for the bad memories. Thank you for teaching me a lesson. Actually, yes, they taught me a lesson. And they teach me how to doggy. And to my closest friends, I will thank these two guys for these guys. Thank you for being my friends. Being my friends, and thank you for all the efforts and the help when I need someone. And for my teachers also, thank you for teaching us. And I want to thank all our teachers that they taught us some lessons and some life advice. So yeah, for you.
My message.
You put the microphone like that.
My message is thank you for the good, happy experience and bad experience, and please don't forget my name.
Yes! Jan Harold Labore.
Kahit lagi akong late,
Lagi kang late. Siyempre, lagi kang late.
lagi din ako absent, and ang tahimik ko.
Yari. Yung message for classmates.
Thank you because you... Bakit?
Go.
Thank you because you come in my life this school year, because you help me improve me, and nakipag... Ay, uy!
So, my message to my classmates and to my teachers is, I'm happy to meet you all, guys. I'm happy to meet great teachers, good teachers. Masaya ako dahil kahit gaano man kahirap, kinakaya namin lahat. Yes. Kasi kapag pag gusto may paraan, pag ayaw may dahilan. Don't give up on your dreams. Ganun. Yun lang pa.
Carl. Go, Carl. Go, Ator.
Yo, I would like to thank my teachers, especially Sir Daduya. I don't want to have I don't want to give a long message, but I just want to thank them. My classmates, I learned a lot, life lessons that we should. Yeah, but you should. But of course, we have our own perspective. Nga pala, I would like to thank you from this cross.
Yes, amen.
This is he gave me this cross from Iloilo, and it is blessed.
Sa imong... Ikakat ko yan.
So to my closest friends, of course, John Luis. Of course, we've known each other. No, of course.
Just calm down. We're getting into you, bro.
So when I said, yung pagkasabi kong closest friends, lahat naman kayo. But this is the most special because
Special kid?
no, not like that. But we have experienced a lot, like some misunderstandings as a friend, especially that in that particular issue, which is I don't want to tell them since they know it naman. And
No, they don't know it because you won't tell. But don't tell it.
sa bagay, kasi since grade 9 magkakilala na tayo, di ba? That's another thing. And coincidentally, we became classmates. That's what, especially this one. Actually, my first impression to him is like introvert person. Not until
But not...
yeah, don't trust this one. Aray ko. Ang sakit. Aray ko.
And this is the virtual video of our 6th member.
So for me, I'm gonna rate it 7.9 out of 10. Because being one of the graduating student in this school year was a treasured moment of mine. And of course, I'm glad to meet some of friends and bonded with them throughout this school year, and I am hoping for our success, for everyone's success in near future and prosperity both to them. the second question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your English 10 class? So for me, it's 9 out of 10 because I really love English and I know sometimes I mess up on something. But here is our teacher, Sir Deduya, guiding and teaching us to his fullest. So, I have a short message for you, Sir Deduya, if you're watching my video right now. Hey, Sir Deduya, I'm glad to be one of your students in this class. And if this school year ends, I hope in the near future, we, us, or all of us, will meet again somewhere. Have a nice night and day, sir. Good night. Goodbye pala.
So that's it for today's video, guys. So thank you for watching the Social Squad podcast, and we are the Social Squad podcast. This is Carl Gian Capungcol. This is John Harold Lavore, and this is Jared Bukaw and Marian Maniego. And lastly, I'm John Luis B. Nobleza. We are the section 10-5, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.